James and Peter cycled along the same 50-kilometer route. James took 2.5 hours to cycle the 50 kilometers. Peter started to cycle 5 minutes after James started to cycle. Peter caught up with James when they had both cycled 15 kilometers. James and Peter both cycled at constant speeds. Work out Peter's speed. So if this was our 50 kilometers and it takes James 2.5 hours to complete the entire 50 kilometer. And the other thing we have is the 15-kilometer mark. So if we say that this is 15 kilometers, this bit, then James starts to cycle from here, then does his 15 kilometers, and Peter starts to cycle 5 minutes after James started to cycle. And he caught up with Peter. So the time that it takes James to do his 15 kilometers, Peter takes 5 minutes less time than that. So that is how I think we approach the problem. So if for James we have got 50 kilometer in 2.5 hours, so that I write as 5 out of 2 hours, and 15 kilometers then will be covered in 5 out of 2 divided by 50 multiplied by 15. So that's why I did multiplied by 1 out of 50, the reciprocal. So I am left with 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 3 is 15. So that is 3 out of 4 hours. And that is 3/4 times 60, and that is 45 minutes. So in 45 minutes, James travels 15 kilometers. So if I can write that in 45 minutes, travels 15 kilometers. So yeah, right. So no, not it. So once I do that, so we'll come to Peter now. So Peter starts to cycle 15 minutes after James starts to cycle. Not 15, sorry, 5 minutes. So Peter travels 15 kilometers in 40 minutes, because it's 5 minutes less than James's time, so it's in 40 minutes he will travel. So his speed is what we have to work out. So in 40 minutes he travels 15 kilometers. So in 60 minutes, because we have to do kilometers per hour, it would be 15 out of 40 times 60, and that's 2 times 2, 2 times 3. That is 45 out of 2, and that is 22.5. Yes, 22.5 kilometers per hour. And that is Peter's speed.